Hey guys, it is Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first ever little cooking tool, kitchen gadget review, unboxing, and demonstration. I am so excited. It is like the morning time, so guess what I need? I need my coffee. I need my coffee, like now. I need a gadget that's gonna get me my coffee. So my friend Julia, if you're watching this, thank you. She saw this coffee maker on TikTok. Apparently it's blowing up on TikTok. Everyone's raving about it. Everyone's loving it. And I needed to get it. If you don't know already, I only drink iced coffee. I can never, ever see myself drinking like hot coffee. Like that is disgusting to me. Like I could never. But they don't really make any coffee makers just for iced coffee until now. When I saw that this was a thing, I was kind of shook. Currently, the coffee maker game is only tailoring to people who like hot coffee. And then people who like iced coffee have to make it in the hot coffee maker, have to refrigerate it overnight, have to chill it. It takes forever. It's so watery. Not anymore. Not anymore. Because Mr. Coffee decided to make an iced coffee maker. This is so cool. This is so cool. The idea is genius and it's single serving. So it's perfect for college students, me, for anyone who likes iced coffee. If you are the only one in your house that drinks iced coffee and the others just aren't on that level yet, you need this because it's only single serving. So you're not disturbing anything, you're not disturbing anyone. It's perfect. It is perfect. Plus, this comes with a reusable filter, a tumbler, and you get a free Torani coffee syrup in addition to this. I'm so excited. I think this is going to like change my coffee game. I really do think I'm gonna use it like every day. So let's unbox this. Okay, so I got my scissors. I'm gonna cut this. I am so excited. If you guys want to get this for yourself, it is only $30 and you can find it at Target. Like so cheap, $30. And it claims that you will save $800 by making coffee at home as opposed to going to Starbucks every day. And I need to save $800. I need that in my life. So it's literally just called Mr. Coffee Iced. Single serve iced coffee maker. Love a simple name. And they have like, I think like 4 different colors of this. They have such a pretty lavender one. It's out of stock right now, but thank goodness my store had one left. I think this is like literally one of the last ones. And I got it in black. Okay, so I just, oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay, we have a recipe book. We have instructions. Don't need those. And we have a manual, user manual. Next. Oh. Okay, that was close. And this comes with a free tumbler. Not that I need any more. This is a really nice one actually. And it has markers for water and ice. I love that. Oh my gosh, and this is the coffee maker. Okay, so let's get the wrapping off. Okay, so the instructions of how to make this stuff is on the top. It says, measure water using this, add water to base, add filter and ground, add ice to the cup, and then start. That sounds so easy. Okay, so apparently before we make our first iced coffee, we have to run this once with water before we put the actual coffee in. So I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. Okay, so I just ran that through once with just water. The first thing we're gonna do is measure out our water using our tumbler that comes with the coffee maker. You're gonna just fill it to the water line in the cup and obviously use filtered water. Don't use tap water. Okay, perfect. This part is a little confusing. So you have to take the top off, take this part out, put the water in the base, put the base back on. Okay, boom. And it comes with a little coffee scoop, so use just the right amount of coffee. You know what coffee we're using. I'm using the Starbucks pumpkin spice blend. This is my favorite coffee ever. in life. This blend, it's so good. It's just so spicy, so pumpkin-y. It's the best coffee ever. So be sure to use a coffee that you like. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take 1 scoop of the blend, put it into here, level it out. Okay, perfect. So I don't know how much coffee that is, maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons. And this also comes with a reusable filter, so we are saving the environment too. We are not having to buy a filter every single time we want to make coffee. It comes with one. Perfect. So just put the scoop of coffee into the filter. Okay, so we can just pop the lid down and we are going to fill this up with ice. Right above the water line, there's an ice line in the actual cup. So just fill it up to that line. Okay, so I have all of my ice in here. It is a ton of ice, but I think the coffee maker does something so it's not watered down, like it makes it extra strong. It accounts for the ice, but let's see how this works. So just put the cup under here, press start, and just put this to here so that water can come out. And you can hear it starting to work. There's the coffee. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Whoever invented this whole concept is genius. Okay, so it is coming out of the coffee maker hot, and the ice is starting to melt, but the ice isn't like melting right away, like it's still there. Dang, this is a little slow. It's taking a few minutes, but take your time. Oh my god. This is literally like a venti iced coffee from Starbucks. But I'm saving $800 a year, so bye. Okay, she's slowing down. She's slowing down. Okay, so it's done. So after the coffee stops like dripping down, you can just close the little this thing, just put it over here so that makes sure that the coffee is stopping from coming down. And you have perfect room in your cup if you want to add like syrup or creamer, just stuff like that. I need that in my coffee. I need that. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of creamer to this and we can give it a taste. Okay, so all the creamer is in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my gosh, that is like cold iced coffee. That literally, this tastes like the iced coffee I get from Starbucks, but I pay so much for it. Now we can just make it here. It's hot. Oh my gosh. I could not recommend this coffee maker anymore. You get the coffee maker, the reusable filter, the cup, the recipe book, all this stuff for $30. Again, you can find this at Target. I will leave the link down below. You have to get this. If you cannot go a day without your iced coffee fix, you need this. I love this so much, and you will too. Like, it is so strong. It is not watered down. It does not taste watery. And I love that it's single serve. So while you're like making your breakfast, while you're doing your stuff, you can just put this on, and then by the end, you will have literally like a coffee shop iced coffee ready for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you loved it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.